Gonna try to go check the mail in the Miata on this dank, snowy day. I'm forecasting speeds of half a mile an hour up the hill, and we'll see what happens on the downhill section. Pumped. Woo! Grip. I wonder if I can actually... Man, this Miata's fun. Pausing for mail check. Alright. Mail acquired. It's time to do some Manjis, the longest e-brake slides ever. Pull some Ken Block stuff. Jump the speed bump. Still Manjiing. Still Manjiing. Still Manjiing. I don't want to go too much past my house because I'll never get back up the hill. Back into the driveway. Sick run! I think with some winter tires, this thing would be way too much fun in the snow, so I'm probably not going to do that. But that was awesome. I can't wait to check the mail later, even though it already got here. Hey! Since checking the mail was so much fun, I'm gonna go to the bank and do some banking. It's gonna take me like 30 minutes to get back up my street, but it's going to be totally worth it. Nope, can't go that way. Actually have decent angle stock. I'm trying to avoid some dry patches. Sending it over the speed bumps sideways. Trying not to hit people's trash cans. This is so much fun. Makes the Miata feel like it's got 8,000 horsepower. At the edge, e-brake up over this bump, 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 bump. Clipping point the trash can. Dank e-brake slide. Turn off without smashing into a curb or that Lexus that's parked on the side of the road. Nailed it. The long straight Manji all the way down to the turn. Edge to edge, baby boys. Okay, this is the most fun I've ever had going to the bank, that's for damn sure.
Alrighty, I made that deposit. You should be set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
All right, will do. We don't normally get snow like this in Albuquerque, so this is a really rare treat for us. I don't think it's snowed like this since like 2010, so it's been a good 8 years since we've gotten a good pounding. Super pumped. Went snowboarding yesterday in Santa Fe, and it was completely powder, and I brought the wrong board with me. Brought my really short freestyle board, and it just sunk like a freaking submarine, but that's okay. Still had a blast. All right, now the commute back to the road. So there's two really good things about driving a Miata. You can drive as fast as the car can go pretty much all the time, and no cop's gonna ever pull you over for racing because it's slow as, just slow as. Just gonna leave it there. The second best thing is in doing that, you're still gonna get like 26 miles a gallon in the city. That being said, I now have a decision to make. Do I A, take the road more traveled, completely plowed, I'd get home in record time, or the road less traveled? Of course, the road less traveled. This is going to add at least 10 minutes to the commute, but it's going to be way more fun. That's a really bad place to park your Lexus, I swear though. Hit a grippy spot. That open diff did not like that. Out to the curb, and now we get to do like 3 miles an hour all the way up this hill. If I even make it. Oh, I'm gonna have to speed this up. Why did he take the Miata out in the snow? He didn't even wave back. I just waved at him and he totally didn't wave back. Start Manjis. Uphill. A little Miata that could. Trash can cooking points. Come on, bring it home. Bring it home. The most slow motion trip ever. Oh, I made it. Let's not run into the house. All right. Oh man, this Miata is so much fun. That was the best I've gone to check the mail and the best that I've ever gone to the bank. I wish that I could just do that every day. Put some winter tires on this thing and actually go pretend like I'm Colin McRae everywhere. Anyways, that's how you go check the mail and go to the bank in a 2001 Mazda Miata. Officer Dan, wishing you a happy new year.